Hey guys, I got this 5-pack called MBX Rally 2 a couple of weeks ago, and I'm excited to open it and do a review. And let's just have a quick look at the box itself. So it's called MBX Rally 2, and those are the 5 cars in it. Let's have a quick look at the box itself. So it appears that 4 of the 5 cars are licensed. You can see there's a Geo, a Nissan, an International Scout, and a Toyota vehicle, and then there's a unlicensed Matchbox, or a Matchbox licensed vehicle I should say. There's the back of it. The Scout is the main theme for this particular vehicle. That makes sense as it's a four-wheel drive, and it is called Rally, MBX Rally 2. 2021 license. It's interesting, all these 5-packs that are being issued in 2022 have a 2021 license. There's the side of it. All right, give me a second while I open it up, and then we will do a review and comparison to some previous vehicles. So I just opened it, and I am going to remove the box here, and then let's have a look at these vehicles. So there's the empty box. I'm going to use it later to host most of these vehicles. So if you didn't guess, there are 2 cars here that I'm really excited about. The rest of them I couldn't really care too much about. I'm going to start off with the ones that I don't care too much about. That being the first of them. Let's see what I think this is an unlicensed Matchbox vehicle. It's not a bad vehicle, just not something that I necessarily want to collect. But I do have a few versions of this in my collection. So this is called the Baja Bullet. Pretty sure it's not licensed. It is a well-designed vehicle. Look at all the details, and once again, because it has the plastic inclusion there with the spare tire, etc., it appears, oh no, it does have an interior. Look at that. It's not often you see that. Interesting. So no window, but it does have, I guess it's built into the interior. And there's the back. Detailed, front's not detailed, neither is the rear, but not a bad vehicle. Next we got the I'm not sure how to enunciate this. It's, I think it's Geo Predator. This particular casting's been around forever. There's quite a few different versions of it. It's one that I don't necessarily collect. I do know that I have a few versions of this in my collection, but I didn't take the time to pull them out for you guys. But it is a nice vehicle. I'd love to own one of these in real life, and you know, really take this off-roading. It would be a ton of fun. There's the back, so it's a sort of a goldish plastic, which is an interesting color. You don't get too many backs in that color. It's quite nice. Very well designed vehicle. I can't actually tell. Oh, it does have an interior. It does appear to have some sort of an interior. You can see it there, the seats. Of course, the front, no, the back is detailed, but I'm not sure. Oh yeah, I guess they could have detailed the lights, but they haven't. There you go. Next we got the International Scout, which at first I thought wasn't a licensed vehicle, but it is. There it is. I've got several versions of this in my collection. Once again, not one that I particularly care for. Nothing wrong with it, just it's a bit boring for me. There's the back, and then just to show you guys, it's in this 5-pack there. It's at the bottom in red, and this 5-pack has the Mustang as its main vehicle. It's from 2020, and it's called Rocky Peaks. And I was at Walmart yesterday, and I picked up this vehicle. I've never seen this themed set before. It's called Local Cruisers, and I'm just going to put these 2 next to each other so you can see that they are different. One has the Skyjacker livery, and just so you know, this was $1.77 plus tax in Canada. And I'm just going to show you the back of it as well. It's a 2022 license, and those are the other 5 cars in the set. I'm not sure what color that Corvette is. I'm not sure if it's the blue one, the black one, or if it's a brand new version that we haven't seen before. But anyways, haven't seen any of the other cars. No, have I seen a review of this particular set, but I did find this particular one in Walmart a couple of days ago, and I did pick it up. Anyways. All right, so the cars that I'm not too fond of, but let's get to the ones that I do like. First of all, let's look at this Toyota Land Cruiser. Wow, what a beauty. Look at that. National Parks Livery. Unfortunately, the back and the side are not filled in, are not detailed. But this is an absolute beauty. So people that collect the National Parks theme, this is one that you must have. It's got some good weight to it. It is too bad that they did not, detail the front of this vehicle, because it is just a beauty. It's just such a great casting. Sort of a light gray interior. Clear windows. Toyota FJ40 Land Cruiser, 1968. Look at what a well-designed vehicle that is for 1968. And then I have another version of it. I've got 2 of these vehicles. So the 2 orange ones are exactly the same vehicles. They're just 2 different shades of orange. One's a little bit darker, the other one's a little bit lighter. And then it's got a dark, I'm going to say it's a black interior. Once again, the front is not detailed, but it's got several plastics, so part of it is gray, then the bumper itself is red. It's a very, very nice vehicle. And I did see a gray version of it as well in the 2022 line. I'm not sure if it's in a theme pack or if it's part of this, the main line. But anyways, I'm looking forward to collecting that as well, and then we'll have a look at all 3 of these vehicles again once I pick that up. And then my favorite casting in this particular pack is the Datsun 510. It's a rally version, and it's got all the cool stuff on the top that we've seen before. So we've never seen it in this yellow before. Black interior. Unfortunately, the front and the back are not detailed. Sometimes they detail the roof rack, so it's different colors on the roof rack. And let's just have a closer look at it. Look at that. That is just fantastic. Love the mud guards. '70s Datsun 510. Look at the detail in the back. Very, very cool. So I've got several versions of this that are open. I just opened the orange one this year. It was also, I think, part of a 5-pack. And then the green one is, I think it did come out as a single, but I actually I got 2 of these, this off-road rally series that Walmart issued during COVID. It's a, it's a 2020 license. Those are the other cars that were in that series, and I got them all. But that really is a fantastic vehicle, and you can see it right there. And then this black one is an exclusive vehicle from a 9-pack that I found at a charity store. Top is not done, is not detailed, neither is the front nor the back, but of course it's got the side livery and beautiful orange tires to go with the colors on the car. And I do actually have the 9-pack that it came from. So there it is. That's a 9-pack, and look what a great 9-pack that is. That's also a National Parks themed vehicle, same as the Land Cruiser that we just looked at. And then I just damaged that box today. I stepped on it and look at that. Box is damaged, but I didn't do any damage to any of the cars. But anyways, the reason I'm showing you this is because there is another rally car in there, another 510 as the exclusive, which I haven't opened, but I probably will now that this box is damaged. Got to be more careful. So anyways, so that's the 5th version. So there's 4 there that we've seen. There's a 5th version, and then I have a 6th version as well, which I would love to open, but it's in this short card, which is quite rare, and I don't want to open it. I'm going to try and find it somewhere at a charity store or on eBay. But I love this casting. I'm really happy to have 6 versions of it, and I hope you guys like it as well. Anyways, that's it, guys. This is a short video. I want to try and keep them short because I've been doing really long videos. Anyways, if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please do so. If you like this video, please do like it on YouTube. Have a fantastic day, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks.